What's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be showing you how to use the Worx Edger/Trencher. This one, the model number is WG896. So we'll just do a basic walkthrough of this, how to just put these handles on, and then the different features and how to do a blade change. So when you get this in the box, these two handles will be off, and you just put this bolt through, tighten that down. Same thing with this. This whole section is the handle. Just put that bolt through, tighten it down. And then the handle also, you can loosen the handle and slide it to wherever's comfortable for you. Just tighten it back down. There's your power. That's the little hook for your power cord. Once you have it hooked up, you can wrap it around so you're not catching yourself on your cord. There's your trigger. That starts the blade. And then this lever right here, if you want to go from edging to trenching, right now it's set up. You can see the guard isn't down. So right now it's in trenching mode. But if you want to put the guard down to go into edging mode, if you want to cut a nice line along your sidewalk, you pull this out, and then you have to have it kind of lifted up to get the guard down, or it'll hit against the ground. So you pull this up, push down, and you can see that this guard pops down so you could follow your sidewalk or whatever you're going to be edging next to. And then to go back into trenching mode, you just pull that up, and you see the guard goes down, the guard goes up, and then you just slide this back into there, and that locks it. And then this can cut at a depth of anywhere from 1 inch to 1.5 inches. So to do that, to change the depth on this wheel in the front here, you just lift this handle up, and you literally can just move this whichever way you want. So say you want to cut at 1.25 inches, slide that knob up to 1.25 inches, and then just lock your handle back in place like that. And now you're cutting at 1 inch, or you're edging actually at 1.25 inches. So that's as far down as it'll let this blade go right here into the ground. So now I'll just walk you through how to do a blade change. So you flip it up so it's on its side like that. And then what I do is you can see this rotates like this. So I'll get a block of wood and put it right in the top of this guard here, and just let the blade, obviously you want to make sure this is unplugged, there's no power going to it. So I'll just let that go right into that block of wood. And then this is a 15mm nut. So I'll get my socket and my wrench. And then you can see that's catching up against that. Take your nut off. And then this is a locking washer right here. So we'll put those off to the side. There's our new blade. You can see right on it, tells you this side out. This says right here, this side out. And I'll include a link in the description of where you can pick up these blades, because they only come with one. And if you're going through tough material, they do wear out pretty quickly. So you can see this one's all chewed up. So put the new one on. Put the lettering facing out. Then we'll put our locking washer on. Nut back on. And now when we go to tighten it, we're going to move the block over to this side. Give it a good tighten. You obviously don't want that blade coming off. Remove your wood, and your blade's changed. So it's very quick, very easy to change the blade on these. And there you have it, guys. That's the Worx electric edger slash trencher. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time.